it's MaCenna, also known as XO MaCenna on YouTube and social media. I'm big on salvaging, and I love going to estate sales and flea markets and finding things that maybe once were used for a particular purpose, but then transforming them and flipping them into something that we can use today and we personally can use in our home.
Welcome to the Comfort Cottage!
We are currently in Texas, standing in our 111-year-old cottage that I have been renovating from start to finish with my own two hands. The kitchen renovation was by far the most challenging project and room in the whole house. I decided to tackle one cabinet door just to see if I could do it. After I made one, I was like, wow, I could actually do this, and this actually looks pretty good. So I set out on making the cabinet doors myself. It took about 9 months for us to complete. Next space that I really loved bringing to life was our living room. What once was dingy with no fireplace, that was really small, we opened up into the entryway and actually built out a fireplace and built-ins. Everywhere I could think of, I would look for mantels. And it must have been 9 months in the process, I finally found this vintage mantel. She needed to be restored and brought back to life, and it was gonna be the perfect addition for our living room. So I clamped it, glued it, cleaned it up, painted it. I'm working on doing some like aging techniques to like the filigree on it so that it really brings out the detail and surrounds our fireplace. I love this detail. So you can really find unique things like this at flea markets. I love that so much. We are in our guest bathroom. It was one of the original spaces that we prioritized. I was looking for a while at flea markets for a vanity, and I came across an old phonograph cabinet. It was built in 1901, which is insane. So I was like, well, maybe I could turn that into a vanity and we can put some granite on it, drop a sink in. So that's exactly what I did. I was able to cut off the top so that we could make space for a drop-in sink. After lightly sanding, I was able to stain it, and then we used the same granite, a portion of the slab that we were using in the kitchen, in the bathrooms as well. So I used to see these Kodak carousels at the flea markets and thrift stores, and they were always really cheap. This is gonna become trash. This is not gonna be a thing anymore. What could we reuse this, and what could we do with it? I basically took these small little sticks and stained them a rich color and turned it into a pendant light. They had an industrial feel. It was a super simple DIY of just gluing on some stained sticks. So you want DIYs on a budget for your home? This is definitely the way to do it.